alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for being inconsistent. I promise I'll be super consistent from now. Today is a special day for our college. Our department are beautifully set up. Basically, this video will going to be a department tour of microbiology and zoology. Before going to the college, I'm doing some skincare. I have a very basic skincare routine. Welcome to my college. This is a beautiful campus with full of greenery. Let's go to the Department of Microbiology. Actually, both the departments, microbiology and botany, are aligned together so we can see the beautiful plants. And here it is, Department of Microbiology. World of Microbes. This Department of Microbiology. It's filled with our project works, models. Now it's time to visit our Department of Zoology. Welcome to the world of animals. If you are still here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This is the best view of our college. That's it for today. I'm sleepy. Good night. Allah Hafiz.